So, in Herne Bay, testing out the camera to see how it performs outside. Yeah, take a little bit getting used to, I think. Let's have a walk down onto the beach, I think. No, actually, we'll walk along. It has been raining. It's almost kind of stopped now. As you can see, it's a Sunday afternoon. The time is 2:45, and there's not really a lot going on. Not a lot of traffic, as you can see. Hopefully I'm clear enough. I didn't bring the microphone. But yeah, I'll go on around the pier type of it. There's a very little traffic, as you can see. It's just signs. Oh, looks nice when the sun sets on. Obviously that's when the sun sets on. A little bit early for that. And over there, as I showed you earlier, you have the mini golf course, Temptations there, and that one's there. Right. But yeah, more than anything, to test out the facility. There's your pier. There is a bar. I think it's called Pub on the Pier, to do Crombacker on draft. Pier does look old and so on, but it's still alright. I say we was on there quite recently, which was good enough. So it has fortunately stopped raining, which is something. So yeah, there you go. Not too much rubbish, which I always find good. But yeah, as I say, not a lot of life. It's very, very quiet. As I say, it's only September, but the weather's probably not helped today. It's a nightmare family coming up. And fish bar there. We walk along. We have the pier, big towel block there. I don't think I've ever noticed that. Drop any coin for the telly go round, in case that's your thing. Perhaps not, but yeah. And here's your pier. Obviously, there's not a lot going on there, I wouldn't think. Today being Sunday, the pier is down there, but as I say, there's not a lot going for it really. Some restaurants here. There's a bar over there. I think that's the way up to the main town centre.
Want to meet you there one Friday on the town?
Yeah, that was definitely a bar over there, and along we go. Nice little few boats and so on, and we'll go off and have a look. Along here, so I say that was Dolphin Court over there. There is one of them roads that take you up. I can't remember which one or which way. So not an awful lot to say or see. Over there was a bingo club. Street in, and under here we have what is in effect a little restaurant. Yeah, it's a restaurant. Okay, we'll go the other way as well to have a look. Which is a bar. Anything, so that's nice enough. Toilets there, which is always good. Yeah, if I come onto the beach, it appears back over there, as you can see in the distance, but there's not, so it's not a lot to say about anything really. It is what it is here. Yeah, you could have had a walk down the pier, but to be honest, it looked like a lot of it weren't open. That's the ice cream bit over there, and basically that's Herne Bay on a September Sunday afternoon. What can I say? Bonjour.